I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Ps5 and both monitors. This matters because the Ps5 outputs a single HDMI stream by design. Make sure the console is updated and powered off before you connect cables. Use an HDMI 2. One cable to the primary monitor for full features, then decide on a method for the second display: direct HDMI, HDMI splitter, or a capture/adapter. Once done, label cables to avoid swapping and plug only the primary screen first to verify video output. You now connect the second monitor using the approach you chose. Choose an active HDMI splitter for straightforward mirrored output, because passive splitters often fail at high bandwidth. If you want different content on each screen, use a capture card or a PC as intermediary. Connect Ps5 to capture and output to secondary monitor. Once connected, power on everything and go to Ps5 settings to set resolution and HDR. This ensures the console negotiates the correct display mode for both devices. You finish by verifying audio and display behavior so gameplay feels right. Set audio output to the HDMI device you prefer and check whether both displays show video and correct refresh. Test a game to observe input lag. Make adjustments to monitor game mode or scaling settings as needed. If something goes wrong, swap cables and test each port independently. Ensure any splitter has external power, and restart the Ps5. These steps resolve most handshake or bandwidth issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.